Under the federal preemption doctrine, when federal law and state law conflict, federal law preempts state law. States can't regulate in areas preempted by federal law. So when Congress regulated cigarette labels and advertising, did the federal statute protect cigarette manufacturers from state tort actions? In Cipollone v. Liggett Group, the plaintiffs argued that manufacturers shouldn't escape state tort liability just because they'd complied with federal labeling requirements. In 1965, Congress enacted the Federal Cigarette Labeling and Advertising Act, or the Labeling Act. The statute specified a warning label to be included on all cigarette packaging. The Labeling Act also expressly preempted state law, forbidding states from mandating, quote, any statement relating to smoking and health, unquote, on any cigarette package or in any cigarette advertising. Congress amended the Labeling Act in 1969 with the Public Health Cigarette Smoking Act, or the Smoking Act. Under this statute, quote, no requirement or prohibition based on smoking and health shall be imposed under state law, unquote, relating to cigarette advertising or promotion. Rose Cipollone began smoking cigarettes manufactured by Liggett Group in 1942. She was diagnosed with lung cancer in 1981. Rose and her husband, Antonio, sued Liggett and other cigarette manufacturers in federal district court, alleging failure to warn, breach of express warranty, fraudulent misrepresentation, and conspiracy to defraud. The Cipollones claimed that Liggett failed to warn consumers about smoking hazards, fraudulently misrepresented the dangers of smoking, and conspired to keep medical and scientific information about smoking secret from the public. Rose died in 1984. The district court agreed with Liggett that Cipollone's claims based on Liggett's labeling and advertising after the Labeling Act took effect were preempted. After trial, the jury found Liggett liable for actions taken prior to the Labeling Act, but denied damages to Rose's estate because of her contributory negligence. Both parties appealed to the Third Circuit, which affirmed the district court's preemption rulings. When Antonio died, his son Thomas became the plaintiff as representative of his parents' estates. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.